Good morning. What I would like to bring to people's attention, our traders worldwide, and all our prop traders and everybody, is that this is the OEX. That's the S&P 100 index. That means that the top 100 stocks in the OEX, of course, you'll have Amazon in there, which is a short trade. Lockheed Martin, you got Google in there. FedEx, of course. You got Nike that just had a big move. But these are the 100 stocks based on market cap. Got Apple, got Amgen in there. You can take a look. You got GILD. That's one we love, another biotech. Um, and you have ExxonMobil, OXY, we love at certain times. But just 100 stocks based on market cap of the actual movement. Unlike the other things that we were seeing, is that the S&P 500 reversal versus the big multinationals, that's what we call them, because all of these big companies in the top 100 have things to do with other exchanges around the world. We're at the 50-day simple moving average. This has been when we had other trend reversals in the OEX. The yellow line happens to be your rising 100 simple day moving average. Then what I'm going to show is very clearly is this was a major top right here in the OEX for several days. I'm going to blow that up for my MMTs for several days. So let's just take this little piece of it right here. We had, and that diagonal trend line comes right across there now, and that big distribution bar at the 15 to 40 day. But look at that major resistance right here. And it finally made an all-time high right here. The all-time high is right here. It starts with the reversal on the S&P 100, and we are at major support levels. Once again, what's bullish about it is you got the rising 100-day simple moving average, which is right there. And that this is a very important index because on the last trading day of 926, you had an open of 877. You had a high of 886. You had a low of 877, and it closed on 885 toward this range right here. The simple day moving averages on this particular daily chart are very simple. 888. That's right there. That's resistance. So when we're looking for things is look at the big selling bar versus the counter trend. And those daily moving averages are going to be resistance. I'm just going to draw another trend line. This is where the breakout had actually took place right here when we had this last correction over here. We rallied up and then OEX went up and it made an all-time 52-week high. But you have this big, super big bar, and we're at the 50 and the 40 day. Just remember that the OEX is the S&P 100 on daily charts and weekly charts. And how do I trade the names? The strongest 100 stocks.